You've finalized your design, the campaign is approved, and deadlines are coming fast. Now you need that same creative for every format and network. That's usually where teams waste the most time. So, let's automate it with Abyssale while keeping your layout consistent across all sizes. Go to your Abyssale workspace and open a design or create a new one. To teach the AI how your layout should behave, start by creating your base formats. We usually recommend starting with a square format since it gives you a solid foundation for most platforms. But if you want even more control over how your layout adapts, you can also add a horizontal format and a vertical format. These three references, square, vertical, and horizontal, act as the foundation for every other format Abyssale will generate. Then, define how your layout should adapt. You can group layers that should move together so spacing stays consistent when sizes change. Once your base formats are ready, select all the other formats you need. Abyssale's AI will automatically adapt your design for each one, applying your layout rules and preserving visual balance. As you review your added formats, if a layer isn't needed for a specific size, simply disable it. It will stay visible on all the others. Then make quick local adjustments directly in the editor to fine-tune spacing, text size, or composition. When everything looks good, you can move on to generation methods to put your design to work. Whether you use the spreadsheet upload, quick generation form, API, or integrations, this is where Abyssale really shines, automatically creating personalized variations or full campaigns at scale, based on the designs you just prepared. And that's it. One design becomes hundreds of perfectly adapted creatives in minutes, ready for every platform. Subscribe for more tutorials that help creative teams save time, automate production, and focus on what really matters.